Leash, what's good, man? Let me see if I can think of something for you, man. You said about 12 o'clock. I'm going to get you in there early. You know what I mean? Aura, 215-304, man. You already know. Hold on, man. Let me see. My chick got big tits. You look, but don't touch. Try to push up, bruh. You will get exposed. Now you topless. That's for being disrespectful. And you a strapless. Don't be reckless. I'm restless, ready to wreck ish. Holding a 4/5. I bust on you ussies. I'm a big prick. I'm Commando mixed with Rambo that go Hannibal. I stay with a hawk like Animal. It's the Legion of Doom. I got my platoon. Banana clip for you niggas thinking y'all Gorilla Monsoon. I run through Ish Typhoon. Pine box bow on you disrespectful niggas. Tycoon. F your new beginning, I cut you out your cocoon. I know you call me a coon behind my back, but F your white face. I leave you in the ghetto, boy with a scar on your face. Yeah, you better pace like Orlando. I'm trying to find a smut like the Jonah from Scando. I'm throwing bullets like Randolph's ego. I stole his chick, but he sought it in a bugle. I put a hole in your muffin, make it a bagel. I scramble your ego. The pump to your gut like Ussie, wake the up. Gunpowder aroma, wake him up like Folgers. And turn sleep, nigga, F that coma. Two blades call him Wesley and Sonya. I try to warn ya, this is my year. Competition staying clear, yeah, I see fear. Come try if you dare. The way I'm rapping, you gon' need K.Lamar. I'm spitting like an AR. The flow eagle, y'all double bogey. Still trying to hit par. And I'm out. Aura. Yo, follow me on IG. You know what I mean? And Twitter. That THAT underscore BUL underscore Aura AURA. Know what I mean? June 18th. Money Hungry Hustlers will be out. You know what I'm talking about? Philly, we in the building. West V, we in the building. Know what I mean? Shout out to everybody else, man. We out here. We does this. Now I'm talking about.